Okay, so we are back with another Sanctuary unboxing video. This is Bella. She is going to be my co-host today. Let's get started and see what goodies we have for Bella. So first off, we have Golden Feast Petite Hookbill Legume Blend. So I'm sure most of you know Golden Feast is a great company. It's a little pricey, but they have really great ingredients, especially I think their golden ovals. They were some of our favorites because of their quality, all their ingredients. I think they stopped making those. So now if we buy pellets, we use tops. You do not use Harrison's. Harrison's is not good. Here we have some more donations. I do. Bella, you okay? So, this is Bella. She was our first female eclectus. We got her, I believe, a few months after we had Prego. Prego was all alone, and we didn't want him to be alone. So we're like, okay, let's see if we can go find a female eclectus for him. And luckily close to us there was a breeder. Them. We got Bella. I named her right away. I knew what her name was going to be. And we're a happy little family together. It was Prego and Bella. And then I think we had 2 Indian ringnecks, boys. No, 2 girls, 1 boy. Where are you going? Bella! What? You're okay. Just okay. And she's very hormonal right now, so she's just trying to look for a spot to go nest. There's cracks under the sofas that she's looking at right now. But, you know, she was good and healthy for the first few years. And then we started noticing feathers missing and constant scratching and kind of hissing at her skin while she's trying to, oh, she was just itchy, but turns out when their skin is quivering like it is right now and they're kind of attacking it, it means they're in pain. So we have an avian specialist here in the OC, and we took her there, and about $10,000 later, we found that she had intestinal adhesions. So what we believe caused that was she had an egg which ruptured inside of her, and it just stayed. They had lied to us about how old she was. Apparently she's a lot older than we thought she was. She was not a year old when we got her. She can be any age, really. Doctor said for the amount of adhesion she had, he cut about 100 of them, that she's older. So, he did, I think he took out half an ovary, and he really tried to clean up inside her as much as he could. And after her first initial surgery, she also got a barium series, and she almost didn't make it. And that was rough. And I went back to the vet crying. I'm like, I don't have any money left. I can give you my car. I remember saying that to him. And Dr. Nemitz is, he's a strange fellow, but he's very blunt. He's very straightforward. He's similar to the way I am, and that's why most people, if you look up the bird clinic and you see the negative reviews, it's all because he's very blunt. He's straightforward. But he is the best. And I told him, like, Doc, I don't have any money left because Bella alone cost $10,000, and she still wasn't about to make it. And I told him, here's my car keys. I can give you my car. I have a sports car. And he said, no, I got her. And here we are. God knows, like 6 years later. She's obviously still in pain and has not let her feathers grow back. I'm guessing the adhesions, I mean, I believe he wasn't able to like cut them out of the intestines because, as you can imagine, bird intestines are really small. Okay. So I'm pretty sure he just like snipped them, but if you snip them, they can grow back. But, you know, we try our best. She's extremely hormonal still, even with a partial hysterectomy. And sweetheart of everyone who visits because she loves strangers. Absolutely loves them. So, this is Bella. A little introduction. No one quite looks like her. No one's got eyes like her. She's a little devil. Okay, I'm gonna unbox the rest of the stuff, okay? Okay, you're fine. I just don't want to get lipstick on you. What's wrong, Bella, dear? Okay, here, go. All right, back to the donations here. So, Brenda sent this mop. We were using the Swiffer, but Swiffer is absolutely terrible. We've bought a few Swiffer wet jets. They keep breaking after a few uses. Like, they're absolutely terrible. So, got this Rubbermaid Reveal. Haven't used it yet because I've told no one can touch anything until I unbox it. And then it comes with these microfiber pads, which you attach to the bottom. And we have laminate, we have tile, and we have carpet. So we'll see how that works on all of that. And it comes with an extra bottle for your detergents or soaps, whatever you're using to mop up the floors. And then Brandon also sent this Thistle vacuum. Haven't unboxed it quite yet, but we do vacuum maybe once or twice a day. So we've gone through probably 30 vacuums so far. So we always have a backup. But now, luckily, we have 2 backups because our Shark just broke. And Shark was really good for a while. This probably lasted longer than the other ones we would get from like Costco. And then we have this big box. And I do believe these are toy parts that Monica orders. But I thought it'd be nice to actually share with you guys what we buy. Okay, to start, we have PVC 4 corners. These are used to make those like dangling toys. So you can have 4 sides to them. These are really great and pretty much indestructible. I'm sure all of you that buy from Monica know this is how they start out. So these are the seagrass mats. These are very expensive. I'm not sure why. I haven't really been able to find them cheap anywhere. But she has a bunch of those in here. Oh, there's more in there. She has the smaller size also. I believe this is the 10-inch and the 7-inch. We have a bag of wiffle balls. I remember when I first got Noah, I got Noah from Omar's Birds. If you guys are local to LA, you guys know about Omar's. They gave them to me for $200. Anyways, he would love these. He was the only thing that he would play with. I'm not sure what these are. It says Sola stems 3 inches. What is Sola stems? undyed, undrilled. It just feels like balsa almost. Really soft. These are cool. I haven't ever seen those before. And then we have the little palm stars. This box is just filled with palm mats. I'm just trying to get into the bottom here. Oh, we have little beads. There's toucans and monkeys and butterflies. They're really cute. Oh, what is this? Huh. No idea. These are mahogany pods. They're drilled. Wow. When I started making bird toys about 9 years ago, they didn't have most of this stuff. I have no idea what these are. But that's pretty cool. Well, let's stay tuned and see what Monica can make with these.